You guys know that one trauma candy salad thing? I was thinking we could do that with slime rats. I'll go first. Okay, so when I was 9, I was at a water park with me and 2 of my friends. At the time, one was non-binary and the other was trans-masc, and my mom forced us to change in the same stall as her because we're all biologically women and have the same parts, and when I refused because this happened every time we go to the water park and I was tired of it, she yelled at me and complained to a random mom who clearly looked uncomfortable, and I got the Skittles. Apple out.
Oh, I'm so sorry that happened to you.
My turn. When I was at the ripe age of 4, I was jumping on my bed. It was a twin-sized bed, I think. And my slow thought that I could fly if I jumped high enough, so I started jumping as high as I could, and I ended up falling off the bed and cracking my forehead open. Long story short, I went to the hospital and they gave me stitches, and that's how I got my scar in between my eyebrows. And I brought the Sour Patch Kids. Grandma 2 nail out.